Hey guys, it's JP with EDC Around the World. Thank you for tuning in. So today I thought I would give you guys my updated EDC. This is my work EDC. This is what I pretty much use every single day. So I do carry around my EDC in my NutSac. This is the NutSac Mag Satch. Alright guys, let's get into this thing. Alright guys, so this is the NutSac Mag Satch Man Bag. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the Mag Satch has a front zipper pocket, and in here I carry some Velcro, just in case I need some extra Velcro. And I do carry a lighter, the gear nut mini Bic holder, just in case you need that. You know, if I'm working on any paracord or anything, need to burn the ends, I've got that there. And that's all I carry in the front pocket. Quick get to in case I need it. Not what I use every single day, but for the most part. Now on the top, look at this guys. This thing is loaded, packed full of goodness. Alright guys, so we're going to get into this main compartment right here. First thing that I've got in here is my phone. This is an iPhone 7. And it is in a pop-off leather iPhone sleeve. Excellent craftsmanship. This will have its own review coming soon. Then I have a Maxpedition micro pocket organizer, and this has got a bunch of stuff in it. This is my wallet, and we will get to this in just a minute. Tissues, you never know if you need to blow your nose or clean off a lens. And my backup camera, the GoPro Session Hero 4. Just a great little camera. One button, one hit, get her going, get her gotten, get her good. Okay, that's all I have in the main compartment here. There is a zipper compartment in the back here that if I'm traveling with my iPad, I'll throw my iPad in there. It fits in there great. But I don't have that every single day, but it is what it is. All right, so inside of here, there's two pockets. All right, guys, so attached to the left pocket in here, I have my Leatherman Charge Ti. This is something that I use all the time. I can't believe how I've lived life without a Leatherman of some kind in my EDC. I use this thing all the time. All the time. Okay, continuing with that left pocket, I have a notebook set up. Okay, and this little notebook set up here, it's a standardized notebook, nothing fancy. It's a little faux leather notebook. It's got the CRKT Pilar attached to the front cover in case I need an extra knife. Then it has a Fisher Space Pen, and then it's got the Leatherman PS. This is the TSA OK pair of pliers, and it's got tweezers and a pair of scissors and a little file in there as well. Excellent to keep with me if I'm going to be traveling or flying, and it all fits right inside there neatly. Obviously, if I'm going to be flying, the Pilar would not be attached to this too, but for right now, that's where it is. Alright, the last thing I have inside that pocket is this Klaris titanium tactical pen. I've been testing this out for a little while. It's got a nice little light on the back of it, and it has the pen and a window punch end right here. Review coming on this thing soon. This is a great little pen, and really redundancy is key for me. So I've got this, and I've got the Fisher Space Pen on my notebook, and everything works out really well. Let's go into that right pocket now. The right pocket, I have another Maxpedition micro pocket organizer. This thing houses the tools that I'll show you in just a minute. And the last thing I have in that pocket is the Olight MT Raider. This is also another new piece of gear that I've been testing out. Really great little light. Double hat clip there, you can see. Review coming on this as well. Stay tuned for that. And now the bag is empty. The NutSac has been drained. Alright guys, let's go over these really quick. The black micro Maxpedition pocket organizer is my everyday wallet. And we're going to open this thing up. I have some keys for some locks I have on the outside. And when we open it up, this is what I've got inside. Titanium beard comb, a pair of nail clippers, a USB drive that converts for my phone. Excellent drive. This will also be up on the channel. I have my KeySmart. I have an extra set of headphones. Over here I have another Fisher Space Pen just in case I want to grab my wallet and not take the whole bag. I have some charcoal pills here in case I'm eating something I probably shouldn't be. In the back of there, you can also find this. This is the Travex Ascent wallet. Great little wallet. Perfect. Also on this channel. On this side in the back here, I've got some beard wipes and some first aid stuff, just some minor stuff. Of course, the extra headphones, just in case I need them if I'm at the gym or whatnot and run out. And that's my wallet kit. And then this is my little tool kit. This is the other Maxpedition micro pouch pocket organizer. Piece of paper on the inside here just in case I need that when you open it up. There's the Leatherman bit kit for my Leatherman Charge, and some chargers and one power bank in the back here just so I have extra power wherever I'm going to be at. Real simple, real to the point. Alright, so I know you guys are dying to know what's in my pockets. Now you guys who have been following my channels for a long time know that I hate having things in my pockets. That's changed a little bit here in Arizona because it's so hot all the time that there's a lot of things that I may need that I'm not carrying with me that kind of mess me up. So I always have a pair of sunglasses with me. Today I'm sporting the Live Bearded Sports glasses. Pretty nice. In my left pocket I've got car keys. My house keys are in my bag. Don't need to worry about it, but I got my car keys. Alright guys, and in my right pocket I've got my primary blade. This week I am carrying the Ganzo Firebird F756. It's a great blade, access, lock, all that fun stuff. So it's fun to play with, and that's what I carry there. I'm also wearing, I know you guys want to see this, Grip 6 belt. If you guys need a good belt, Grip 6, I'm telling you, this belt right here kicks ass. But my friends, that's all she wrote. All my friends, so feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more epic content on this channel, EDC around the world. And my friends, grab your kit. It's time to go.